Should your garage door neglecting to open every time you make use of your remote? Perhaps it can be opening slowly, or getting stuck halfway. Maybe you have noticed that it must be making strange noises, or that it must be bouncing the moment it reaches the bottom. These are common issues that many individuals will face if they have a garage door which is malfunctioning. These complications might be both electrical and physical in nature. Instead of looking to resolve these complaints by yourself, it will be better to work with a specialist business. For this reason, you should think about using my company Biomednix Garage Door Repair Woodland Hills CA in order to have your garage door repaired in the week.